Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so first of all, like as usual, we are seeing Nifty. So what is happening in Nifty? We had a stop loss hit in the morning. So I'll show you guys how it was. So what happened? We had marked. I'm sorry guys, I've changed. Excuse me, I've changed all the color schemes. Okay, I'm keeping it dark for this month because there's just I like changing the colors and everything. Okay, so this month I'm gonna keep it dark. So if you guys see, Nifty, it breached this level, that is 21,475. I bought it. I had a 45 point of stop loss which got hit in the morning, and after that I did not trade because if it's not going anywhere, it's not going anywhere. Intraday, see, this is a buying pressure. Okay, there's definitely a buying pressure, and tomorrow again, if it comes to my level, that is 21,475, I'm purchasing it again. Or if it comes anywhere near 21,365, I'm purchasing it again. These are my two levels for tomorrow. Okay, so this is up with Nifty. So I'm gonna get rid of all this. So this is how Nifty is gonna look tomorrow for me. If it breaches 21,332, then I might look forward to sell it, but on a very small quantity, not on the regular quantity, or small quantity. That's it. But I'm not negative. I'm only positive. I'm expecting a sideways market. So let's see how it's gonna work. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you see, this is a trend line. I just drew it. These are fresh levels. So I drew this trend line now. So there is a very high probability market can take support from this trend line and it can go up. If you guys go to 5 minutes and see, there is another trend line coming from up. There is this. This is another trend line coming from up. If it breaches this, there is a high probability for it to go up. But for tomorrow, we are still sideways on market. Even in Bank Nifty, what might happen? It might break this, and it might go sideways. That is go something like this, and then take support here, and then start going up. Okay, this can happen very easily because this is a sideways market now. Okay, so we can wait for it to give a proper price action. Or if it crosses 47,975, I'll be looking forward to buy it. So this is my buy position, and this is my buy position. That is 47,970 and above I'll buy, or 47,500 600 I'll be buying. Okay, these are the two levels where I'll be looking forward to buy. Nothing before that. Selling, I'll be selling it only post 47,545. Okay, so here is where I'll be looking forward to sell it, but not aggressively, on a small quantity, not a big quantity. Okay, so that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Next, let's see some stocks. So crude oil, what happened? Crude oil, we had two stop losses already. Now I'm in a profit trade. So basically what happened, crude oil, I had my levels marked. So what I did here, okay, fear of missing out, I entered a trade here in the morning. It was like this. I entered a trade here. 25 point was my stop loss. It got hit like this, and then this, I saw this trend line, so I entered a short position here. This is how it was. 25 point was my SL, and that got hit immediately. In 15 minutes, if you see, you can see the candle. Yeah, see, this candle we entered and it got hit immediately. Then I was like, okay, I'm really starting to break my rules now. This is not how we are supposed to trade. I stopped trading. Okay, and exactly at 18.3, this breakout happened on our key level. Okay, our key level breakout happened. After this breakout, we entered here with a 25 point stop loss. Okay, so now if you guys see, my total loss has been recovered and I'm in cost to cost now. I am holding this till $78, guys. I'm holding it till $78. $78 and 45 cents. I'm holding it till this at least. So this is for US oil. US oil has given a good breakout after this consolidation. We are expecting it for a good up move. That too, Wednesday will be an inventory, so even if it goes sideways tomorrow, Wednesday, I'll be looking forward for a bigger trade. Okay, so that's it for US crude oil. It is gold. Gold did not breach any of our key levels, so we don't have any trade as of now. If it breaches 2015 and below, I'll be definitely shorting it. Okay, so that is what I have view on crude. And we have 4 stocks for swing trading. First is SBIN. SBIN was in my watch list for a very long time, and it gave a breakout today. This breakout is a very strong breakout. I'm expecting a small pullback, so I can enter it. So if I get a price of 640 to 630, I'll be definitely entering it. Or if tomorrow, if this candle gets breached, I'll be entering it, and I'll keep my stop loss under this candle. Okay, so this is how I'm going to trade SBIN. Next is Tata Steel. Tata Steel also gave a breakout, and today it survived here. Tomorrow also, if it survives, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy at 137 or 138. Okay, and my stop loss will be at 132. Then next one is Hathway Cables. Hathway Cable on a weekly time frame, it was on a downtrend, a consolidation. If you guys see, it was on a good downtrend. Just a minute, let me just clearly show. It was on a good downtrend, and it was on the sideways. Okay, from sideways now it started going up slowly. Now we are expecting it to go like this. This is how it's gonna go, at least as much as I know. So this was a downtrend, this is a sideways, this was a total sideways market. If you guys see, this huge gray block is a sideways market. Now it's giving a breakout. So tomorrow, if I get a price of 22, 23 rupees, I'll be definitely buying it, and my stop loss will be at 20 rupees. Okay, so next is Ace Constructions. I remember trading Ace Constructions on 2022. I think somewhere it gave me around almost 200 plus points. Somewhere it gave me 200%. It's something we captured in Ace, which was a very, very good trade. I think somewhere here we captured, yeah, and it rallied up like anything. Now again, Ace Construction, after a pullback, it is giving a breakout. So see, I was expecting for a pullback like this. One pullback happened, consolidation, giving a breakout. Another pullback's happening, it's taking some time. Now, which is the best price for me to buy? This is definitely a best price for me to buy because it's slowly started going up. So I'll buy it at 850 rupees, and my stop loss will be at 785 rupees. That's it, and I'm gonna hold this. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information on my tomorrow's moves on my on this video. I've uploaded a new strategy video in the morning. Please look into that too. Your support will be definitely appreciated. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support will help me grow and motivate me to give new videos and more information to you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.